Clark received Igor Beaver Award, Team Player Award, Best Intula Recitation, Spelling Bee First Place, Filipino Spelling Bee First Place, Nat Quiz Bee First Place, Budding Science Award, Public Speaker Award, Best in Social Studies, and First Honor!
We are